Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 products that you can create using PLR. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, stick around to the end because there's also going to be a dad joke. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Well, of course, one of the first products that you can create is a video course. Now, why would you want to create a video course? Well, you can sell them on various places. Places like JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Forum, and other affiliate sites. Along with that, you can also sell them at other places, for example, Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, and of course, other course sites. So it gives you a really large option on how you can create your products and where you can sell them. And you can go to places like Muncheye to encourage other affiliates to sell it for you, and then it becomes true passive income because somebody else is actually doing the work for you. Product number 2 is books and eBooks. You can also sell them on places like JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and other affiliate sites. Along with that, if you wish to, you can also sell them on eBay, Fiverr, and if you're doing books, it can be done on Amazon and also Etsy stores. Product number 3 is you can turn it into a YouTube channel. You may or may not realize this, but YouTube in and of itself can in fact be your own product. What do I mean? Well, you can start a YouTube channel and you can create a blog and do all that sort of thing, and you can be monetizing it by using affiliate links and so forth, or having your own products that you're selling. And you can also use it for membership sites when you do get monetized. And to help you get monetized, I would suggest that you start a blog and then get that monetized on Google AdSense. So when it comes time for your channel to be monetized, you don't have to wait months to get monetized because you're already on the system. So YouTube can be a product in and of itself. Product number 4 is you can create an email course. Now, the email course has several fold benefits to this. 1, you are engaging with your audience. 2, it's allowing you to be able to give something of value to your customer. And 3, it builds the know, like, and trust factor with your email clients. They're more likely to open your emails because they know you're not just throwing out links all the time so that they can end up having to pay for something that you're offering. Now, if you're offering value without always giving links, what you're really doing is you're giving value to your customers, and they are more likely to open your emails because they know that you offer good quality content. This actually builds the know, like, and trust factor with them. And when you do send them links, they're more likely to open it and even try it out. And this in turn allows them to want to open your emails more often and be more likely to buy from you in the future. Product number 5 is it can be used as membership content. If you have a membership site somewhere, you can be using PLR to help build that membership by adding more and more information, because it's not always easy to come up with information for a product or for videos. Having PLR gives you ideas, gives you more content to be able to provide to your clients. It can be done in things in the form of blog posts, videos, coaching, bonuses, email autoresponder series, and copy for your sales page, and many, many other things. So really, membership sites are also another true way of getting passive income, because if you have it on a monthly basis, someone will pay for it this month and then they'll pay for it for the month after. And if they really like your site, they'll stick with it for a long time. And you'll have true passive income using membership sites. Joke time. The judge said to the accused, "So, you robbed the hotel because you were starving, is that right?" He said, "Yes, Your Honor." "Why didn't you steal food instead of all the cash?" asked the judge. The accused said to him, "Well, Your Honor, you see, I'm a very proud man, and I make it a rule to make sure I pay for all of my food." Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also leave a comment down below and let me know of any other ways in how you think PLR can be used to help make money online. Now, over here is a video that I believe you might like. Down here is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. And over here is an icon that you can click so you can subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.